Alright, welcome back everybody. Let's talk transmissions. This is a Th400. It's from Hughes. It is their model 341HD. It's actually on there. This is rated for 750 horsepower. That's more than this thing makes. What I need to do is get it out of the bag, flip it over, and change the pan on the bottom. Why do I want to do that? Well, I want this thing to stay cool. I want the case to be strong, and I want it to last a really long time. And one of the best ways you can ensure that it does that is getting a deep pan. I like the aluminum pans because it acts like a big heat sink. It also acts like a big strengthening girdle across the entire case. It'll also give us another couple of quarts of capacity that helps with cooling. But one of the things I want to do is monitor this thing. And then I need to know how hot that transmission is getting when it's doing different pieces. And I need to add a temperature sensor. So 1/8 MPT, got a tap for it. I need to figure out the drill size. I don't think it's a 1/4 inch because it's bigger MPT. They're weird. Not even close. 11/32. So we'll get that drilled out. I'm nervous about drilling a hole in a kind of expensive piece of aluminum, but it shouldn't be too bad. We'll square it up, make sure it seals, and then we can get one step closer to getting this thing all together and in the truck. Come along for the ride. Welcome back. This went in real nice, threads in real clean, put some extra sealant on it just for the heck of it. It's high temp stuff, it's chemical resistant, should be in there for a long time. Like I said, should in theory, because it's NPT, seal on the threads, but I want the extra insurance. I don't want ATF on the floor. Had that for years, don't like it, don't want to go back there. I really get excited because I know this is such an upgrade from the stock cork gaskets and the stamp pans. These machine surfaces on these things, when they're nice and flat like this, lots of meat, you can use one of the multi-layer gaskets, if I put it on right. And this has got so much. Gasket's been in a box, so it's not perfectly flat, but by the time you put bolts and things in there, this should seal up really nice between the machine surface of the transmission case and the pan. And I'm really looking forward to that. That'll work. All right, let's go get it on the transmission so we can get it closer.
Let's get this thing out of the bag.
We'll talk to y'all later.
Get this thing prepped and ready to go.